Everyone Kiza, one of the councils of Dr. Chiza Reside, is being arrested. Everyone Kiza, one of the councils of Dr. Chiza Reside, is being arrested. Being refused to go onto the bars. After being refused to go onto the bars. Let's get 1K, let's make 1K. Let's get 1K, let's make 1K. Anti munawe bamukutte. Cheese, Aaron cheese. Anti munawe banyingira wa cheese, Aaron cheese. Bamuganye yingira wa flewa n'ekifana ekyo. Flewa n'ekifana ekyo. He was obstructed to go to the bar. He was obstructed to go to the bar.
This is not a court. This is not a court. All citizens are aware that where we are now, and we are not in the murder chamber. We are aware that where we are now, we are not in the murder chamber, not in the court. They will bring our lawyers back. When they don't bring our lawyers back, they will bring our lawyers back. But they don't bring our lawyers back. Everything is just around the army and around the army. What is that? Chibande wuchi abamache tebakana bakuja badokta be chibande wuchi abamache tebakana bakuja badokta be abantu kiza baka kuja bakuja
That's wait, I forgot to wait. Yeah. That's wait, I forgot to wait. Yes. So you have to follow the counsel. Who know one? Jam to follow the counsel. Who know one? Jam. So ensonga
Remember that time we had to say the council decided. Then someone can say, "I was not invited." Another said, "I was not invited."
Mateka gacho kiri kiri mateka
Details that you want to do.
arrested. Arrested is in the court right about now.
We shall never surrender. Never surrender. We shall live in peace. Amen.
Aaron Kiza, one of the counsels of Dr. Chiza Besigye, is being arrested after being refused to go onto the bars.
Baada ya kupata Chiza, Aaron Kiza amedai yingira eri mu bars. Sanji ndio abakulanga bayisa kugira abatabukira. Naika Chiza amedai yingira bars.
Let's make 1K. Let's make 1K.
Mr. Chairman, I do request that we comply. Mr. Chairman, I do request we comply with the dictates of the Constitution. Yes, we have a year, 4 years. Yeah, but we start to be acting on the orders of the judge advocate. You had given me permission to address, then he intervenes and it is totally ordered. But we are also advocates, and the sense of constitution here, we have a constitution. But before we address you on this issue of instruction,
much right, my lord.
do we have a right of audience, Mr. Chair?
My lord,
Just a minute, Mr. Chairman.
You hold on and we'll finish with the next one and then you talk.
my lord, it is true on the opening of this case, the accused person informed the court they had not talked to any lawyer. But on the 9th December 2024, the accused person, retired Colonel Dr. Chiza Besigye and Hydrobet retired, formally notified the convening authority as required by Regulation 62, Subregulation 3, notifying the authority that they had appointed a team of lawyers that included Ernest W. Kalibala, Frederick J. Mpanga, and Apollo Katumba, all from A.F. Mpanga Advocates. and he appended their signatures. My Lord, and members of court, without written instructions from the accused persons, there are other lawyers who volunteered to file that they had intentions of also representing the two accused persons, but I did not have any instructions from the accused persons. That's all.
If others submit fulfills the requirement and the person is themselves endorse it, why don't you follow that?
We even have a right to explain ourselves, Mr. Chairman, before you. At least can you grant us a permission to explain ourselves before you? At least we hear us.
And what about those ones who are in the authority? Then what about this? It is okay. Why did you sign it? Yes. So can you follow that and sign and give them authority, official authority?
We have given that authority then who is involved. Mr. Chairman, I was not aware that all authority must have written and registerable authority to this court, but all the lawyers who are appointed where their names were already here and they have our instructions.
It is clear, yes. These 3 people you authorized were also here, and it is a simple procedure for us to do. Why would you follow that procedure and then we are not saying that we don't want these people to be presented. It is just a matter of procedure. That's what we want. Fulfill that and we proceed.
The cabinet is granting permission to our senior counsel.
Next, please, the tribunal. The last time we adjourned,
Senior counsel, I will be requested to
let me just state my case.
No, I'm still advising. I don't want to so clearly to. I know you are from a foreign country. Counsel Kwako, you are saying that what is following what I'm saying, but I'm referring you to Regulation 63 of our rules of procedure. I am mandated to advise court and all lawyers in this court on all matters of law and procedure. And Senior Counsel Martha Karua, last time I advised that we don't have a tribunal. This is a general court martial. PDF Act and recognized it even under the Constitution. So anybody
who is going to define this court as a tribunal within the context of this court. That is my advice, sir. We can hear from senior counsel.
Not that you are advising or making a ruling. I've been a judge just like you, and you advise you don't make a ruling.
Now you proceed, but we don't want the name tribunal.
The last time we adjourned was so that you could give time for me to get a practicing certificate. I now want to let you know that you and members know that I do have a practicing certificate, which was issued to me this month. To also indicate that the last 2 times we have been in court, because this is the 3rd time, you have had submissions from areas in the work. He has been introducing all of us, including Ernest Kariba. It therefore means that it's within the knowledge of Mr. Chairman and the members that the team in court is representing Ms. Dr. Kisa Besigye and Procedural. And we really are taken aback because even the permissions you have granted before on how we come with our tools of trade all have been flouted by the orderlies today. We have been subjected to very difficult conditions back and forth, such that before you we are so exhausted as not to be capable of properly representing. We have also witnessed before this, before your very eyes, the assault of one of the team members. When we come before you, we feel protected by you. But today, that has been violated by the orderlies. If anyone commits a perceived offense, we expect them to be restrained, not assaulted. To be removed, not assaulted. I was at the back. I did not exactly see what happened. So we have serious issues we would like to address you on. And we seek to be allowed to start normally, not to be taken back, to start registering, and we've already been before the court before. It doesn't happen that way. And it is unfortunate that the court is being informed to go back and forth. It becomes difficult. It's a very bad picture, even before they are accused parties. Will they expect justice? If every day we come, there is shifting of goalposts, we respectfully urge you to grant us audience, which we already have, so that we are able to proceed. The word of mouth before the court from these 2 gentlemen is better than any written paper. If they say all these are their lawyers, that is it. Yes. For purposes of your record, we can later punish you with a complete record. For purposes of your record. But for purposes of, we will give you at the end of it. But because they now have told you we are their lawyers, allow us to proceed. Otherwise, it may appear, it may be unintended, but it may appear that we are being denied of audience and that the defense of these 2 gentlemen is being scattered deliberately.
Now, counsel, thank you for your submissions. I wish your colleagues would be behaving like you. These are lawyers also making noise. You talked of that you furnish us with the required papers. And we talked about this the other time when we were here. Why did they fulfill that? Secondly, what you are talking about the assault, you are not talking about the conduct of your colleague. What type of conduct is that in the court? I think we also need to help, because you are not here to show that we are in uniform, we are not here to support, we are here for justice, nothing else. But the way we are conducting ourselves, I think it may not help us. Instead, it will be affecting the accused persons.
May I respectfully urge you to also detail the orderlies, because every day we are being met by different people with different. The first day, 4 hours of standing outside them, I have not even discussed. And today, allow me to make my submission, for which I may not require your advice, the court will require it. I am saying that we are being subjected to different standards every day. The first day, 4 hours of standing, we have not even recovered from that fatigue. Today, over 2 hours. The second day, the 10th of December, we had an easier time. Today, I am informed, because I was at the back, I couldn't see. All Aaron Chiza wanted was to come in and sit, and he normally sits here. Even if there is no seat, an advocate should not be stopped from approaching the court. It is the court that will direct anybody without a seat to go out. So there is something wrong with the way the preparation of the orders, and we would urge that there be strict instructions so that there is no back and forth. Before, the 2 times we have come before this tribunal, we have had no complaints about the way the court,
sabatubulirako katono nnyo kino ekigenda
with them, so that we may now know what to do without one of us. Because each one of these lawyers has a specific task. The matter before you is the one of these lawyers has a specific task. The matter before you is the matter of life and death. That is why it has so many lawyers. We ask you respectfully to give us time with our plans.
Which time? Like
1 hour.
I think, sir, before you conclude on that, we have lawyers who never filed their practicing certificates.
Excuse me, but that one we are not passing that. People who have fulfilled, we have given senior counsel the chance to talk. Honorable Babu will sit first.
Mr. Chairman.
Honorable Babu, just take your seat.
But Mr. Chairman,
you see this, she's senior counsel is talking of harassment outside. But what I have, what I need is good, but that one, I will talk to the security people. That one. Now, how can I know that this one is from this farm, this one is what? How can I know? This is the process. Mr. Chairman. Like if you are not ready to fire people to follow the environment, then you be there like any other person, or you don't come here.
Mr. Chairman, I want to address an issue. First of all, we are read on record. The history is amazing. And we need to capture all the particular fairness, their farms, and every aspect. That was what did we agree on last time? Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to explain this time. Do you have paper? Can I explain this time? What happens, because the stringent rules is reading the giant form would require that the accused person append their signature on the instruction. And we have attempted to access them in New Zealand to process that way in vain. Today, if I may tell you, Mr. Chairman, you can ask and cross-check with the prisons authorities if it is possible for anyone to access Dr. Jesus and obey Bikalubye. If you visit New Zealand maximum prison, the only way you can talk to them is through a land or a phone. They are at a distance, so how are they going to sign on those instructions? If you insist on that, it will be a perversion of justice. You'll be perverting justice, Mr. Chairman, because it's not going to practically happen unless you are saying that we do it right now, that we prepare a paper, the list is here, we can present it to them, they sign, we find it. If that can do, if it can suffice, we are ready to comply with that. But if we are to access them in New Zealand to sign instructions, that is not going to happen. The last thing, Mr. Chairman, is insisting on PCs being filed with. Here in the press period of 3 months. 3 months. Right now, I have a right to practice without a renewed PC. Right now, until 1st March. So we are in January. We have all this grace period to process the practice certificate. I thought, as the advisor of this course, shouldn't even have raised this man. That is raising such a matter when he's supposed to be the senior advisor to the General Court Marshal.
I know if your grace period is there, you must come with the proceeding certificate. So what we want, don't expire. We want that one. You want to expire the one. You are practicing. Yes, the one which shows that you are practicing, but you are
the only lawyer who has the 2025 PC now is Matakawa. In Uganda, the whole of Uganda is only Matakawa right now. We want
Mr. Chairman, you see, I am mandated by law. Mr. So when I want the practicing certificate of the proceeding here, why don't you want to bring it?
Mr. Chairman, for the record,
others have filed it. Why did they file and you have not filed?
I am Moses, Mr. Chairman, for the record.
Please, if you are not among the three, I would like to hear from
Mr. Chairman, from the mouth of Colonel Dr. Bikalubye,
he has somebody sitting in for him. Is that allowed? Yes, from his own family.
another one is coming.
Chairman, I'm afraid.
You are afraid to go to council.
My friend is number 2 minutes. Mr. Chairman, I joined the issue with my senior colleague, because the
process of inspecting chambers starts near the end of the year and also continues up to the end of in January. And the law council can only issue practicing certificates after they have inspected chambers. So it is correct that we have a grace period after the first of March. So apart from my colleague who has been given a special dispensation today, my colleague Mr. Brown is correct. All of us, myself inclusive, don't have pieces of 2027. So we are just acting under the umbrella. We urge the Prime Minister to accommodate us, just like the courts have done, because otherwise, there will be no
So, counsel, are you ready to proceed with the proceedings?
My colleagues have raised the issue of getting an opportunity to talk to the client. It is correct that when we came in, there was a detailed security arrangement and a delay. We were not able to speak to the clients. It's also correct, Mr. Chairman, that accessing the accused person that is zero prison is not easy. So, unless there is an order from the court that their lawyers can access them free, might appear impractical, ask for some dispensation. So that, because Mr. Chairman, the strict application of the rule, the General defined to, is not quite practical in the current circumstances. And yet, for the accused persons, they are entitled to representation. So, perhaps, as the prosecution, the judge advocate, and the court can find a way around which is flexible, which will accommodate, so that accused persons are represented, because the most important thing is for the accused persons to have representation. So we can ask, because it's within the powers of this court, to make that dispensation, but also to speak to them, so that we don't come here and speak on our own before we have time for such a simulation.
Just the procedural matter, section. In light of the judge advocate and the pronouncements of the panel, we are at a loss as to the fate of the ruling which has been pending before the Supreme Court. Because the matter was adjourned, the question that has been put to counsel is whether it's ready to proceed with it. And severally this matter adjourned for purposes of delivering the ruling. And it's people made the submissions. And from the list they have read, we have had no evidence. So, Mr. Chairman, will that ruling be still valid? Does it still stand that we wait for a ruling which is going to be based on submissions made by an advocate who presumably had no audience before this honorable court? So that is a serious procedural matter. So that it is put out of the way, the administration will have been addressed. So,
sir, the ruling can be delivered. Yes, because because he wants to know, and I am being misquoted that I am becoming strict with the rules. If you have been practicing in civil courts, they know you. But if you are coming here and you have never been here, we don't know that even you are practicing. And what I am advising the court is that you must bring last year's certificate to know that you are in the grace period. Others have filed it. So, sir, there is no strict terms I am bringing. That is my advice and the ruling. has always been read. It can also be delivered so that the council of Kwambo gets to know about the ruling and will proceed from there.